Opportunities often arrive without warning, and those who benefit most are usually the ones who prepared in advance. Good day everyone, and welcome back to the Undergraduate Impact Mentorship by Chris Inspires Care Foundation. Over the past weeks, we've discussed mindset, skills, and positioning. We have talked about thinking ahead, building useful abilities, and making your value visible. Today, we'll conclude Module 3 with the final pillar of career readiness. Readiness is the ability to respond confidently and competently when opportunities appear. Many people desire opportunities, but not everyone prepares for them. Job opening may come suddenly. An internship opportunity may be announced unexpectedly. A mentor may ask for your CV immediately. An interview invitation may come with short notice. In memories like this, preparation becomes visible. Let us consider 5 ways to become opportunity ready. 1. Prepare your documents early. Do not wait until the last minute to arrange important documents. Keep your CV updated, have your cover template ready, organize certificates, transcripts, and relevant records. When opportunity comes, preparations gives you an advantage. Number 2, practice professional introductions. You should be able to introduce yourself clearly and confidently. Know how to explain who you are, what you study, what skill you bring, what opportunity interests you. A strong introduction can create a memorable first impression. Number 3, develop interview readiness. Interviews often reward preparation more than talent alone. Practice common questions, learn how to communicate your strengths honestly, study the organization when possible, speak clearly and professionally. Confidence usually grows where preparation already exists. Number 4, stay consistent in small habits. Readiness is not built in one day. It is built through patterns such as showing up on time, meeting deadlines, responding professionally, learning continuously, managing yourself well. Small habits prepare you for larger responsibilities. Number 5, be willing to step forward. Sometimes people are prepared, but they are hesitant. They doubt themselves, they overthink, they delay applying. Readiness also requires courage. You may not feel perfect, but growth often happens when people step forward responsibly. This week's final challenge: take 1 hour this week and prepare for future responsibilities. Update your CV, write a short professional introduction, practice 2 interview questions, organize your documents, apply for 1 relevant opportunity. Prepared people recognize and respond faster. You have now completed 4 pillars of career readiness: mindset, skills, positioning, and readiness. These are not just ideas for students. They are practical foundations for life after graduation. Those who prepare intentionally often transition more confidently into the next stage of life. Until then, keep growing, stay prepared, and be ready when opportunity comes. I am Blessing Emmanuel. Have a wonderful day. Bye.